No, I don't follow any Indian
Indian
festivals
festivals. Okay.
because I feel कि ये लोग सिर्फ पैसा मिल जाता है ना तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी चीजें कर लेते
So how much money it take to like build a white flea?
हैं. We are highly inspired by Tomorrowland, Burning Man,
Sunburn.
Swedish House Mafia. कोलैबोरेशन करने से नफे में नुकसान होगा, नुकसान नहीं हो सकता. लॉजिक ये है. A 25,000 job could land you at a 25 lakh work. Same is with the complete entertainment and glamour industry that we are into. Remember one thing, you should have only 10 friends. कंधा देने के लिए 4 की जरूरत पड़ती है, बाकी के 6 तुम्हारी जिंदगी संवारने के लिए लगेगा.
How many events creativity go a year?
अच्छा लाओगे तो बिक जाएगा, बट पीयूष मिश्रा शायद उस दिन नहीं बिकेगा.
And only use AI where you are gonna use Google.
So you should know the process how to use AI.
Yeah.
Rightly is built on social media. So when I walk into the venue,
Yeah.
my whole team walks out. We have started with the White Festival. I'm writing another IP which revolves around Hindu religion. The essence of religion is never gonna vanish.
Never.
People are gonna love that.
Yeah.
But when we come in front of people, it has to be wow. Okay, husband and wife when working together, it is the biggest challenge. Because your personal and professional life will never be different. आज दूसरे फ्लीज ट्राई कर रहे हैं हमको कॉपी करने.
देख के यार. Alright. Welcome to Get in Bed with Podcast. I am your host Shahars, and wedding season is just around the corner. And I couldn't have asked for the better guest to kick this season off with. And he is not just throwing events, but he is building culture, experiences, and he is literally reshaping India's entertainment industry. He has been recognized as IPA list for culture, concerts, and festivals, and he's been awarded many awards which I can't even list you here right now. But like Sustainable Wedding of the Year, Magic Moment of the Year, he is the man behind creativity, the White Flea, the White Festival, Let's Giggle, and bunch of IPs. Let's get in bed with Neil Choksi. How are you doing, sir?
Good. Thank you so much for such a great introduction. Uh, it's great to be here. So thank you for having me.
Totally, sir. Likewise only. It is such an honor to have be doing this with you here.
It's my pleasure too.
Take us through your day. Like नील भाई का दिन कैसा होता है पूरा?
Neil Bhai ka din. It depends on if it is an early start of the day or it is a late night the previous day. So if there is no event the previous night, I might
Yeah.
be chilling with my friends or my clients.
Okay.
And so my day starts at like 9, 9:30, 10 o'clock. I wake up. उठने के बाद immediate shower. I don't walk out of my room without taking a shower.
Okay.
Immediate shower, have a glass of Bonvita even today.
Even
And
today you drink
even
Bonvita.
today,
Perfect,
yes,
perfect.
a huge good mug of Bonvita and having it. I leave the house by 11:30,
Yeah.
11:30, and me and Preksha we go to office. Be there, do meetings, do work.
Yeah.
By the evening, it's the same thing that is happening.
Okay.
And by night, if I have event, it's gonna be a night till maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever.
Mhm.
Come home, get on the bed,
And
and
just
get
chill.
just chill.
So Nilbhai, tell us about creativity. Like how did you come up with it and what's the reason behind this name?
Okay, so
It's been 10 to 11 years, right?
yeah, so the
Yeah.
company is 10, 11 years now.
Yeah.
It's about to be 12 in the coming March.
Okay.
But it's been 18 years for me in this industry.
Shit. Okay.
So I started working part time at the age of 21.
Okay.
And since then, I have been working into events. And then in 2014,
Hmm.
I got married to Preksha. And before getting married, we had to do an executive wedding and an event for which we needed a company's name.
Hmm.
But we were very particular कि ऐसा कोई भी नाम नहीं देना है कि जो शायद शादी डिफाइन करे या
Define करे.
इवेंट्स डिफाइन
You
करे.
wanted to keep yourself
We wanted to
open
keep
with
ourselves
option.
very raw and very much what we are.
Yeah.
So the name Creative Witty, WITTY, came up from that itself कि Preksha is the creative brain. I'm the
Okay.
witty ones. She takes care of the decor, aesthetics,
Yeah.
experiencing and designing things around the experiences. And I am the one who makes sure that the show runs the right way. The right kind of people are working along with us. The right kind of vendors come in.
Yeah.
The right kind of associates, artists, whatever PR we do,
Yeah.
and the kind of money that we need to make.
Yeah. So Nilbhai, you have won awards from IP in festival and concerts to sustainable wedding to the magic moment of the year in wedding. Tell us what that experience feels like to win an award like that on national level.
Harsh, were you into any sports when you were a kid? or
Yeah.
maybe in some competition, and the first
Yeah,
time you
yeah.
won.
I
So,
was into volleyball. Yeah.
so remember the first time you win your school tournament, maybe, and what was that moment going on stage and taking it in front of the principal or maybe a teacher?
To be honest, I've never won anything, but हम semi-final तक गए थे in
हाँ, so
9th
it's
standard.
like achieving something small,
Yeah.
whatever. It might be a game of volleyball, or maybe it might be a fancy dress,
Yeah.
or try and recall that first experience that
It
you
felt
had.
like king of the world, मतलब.
So it's the same feeling even today. So whether I win, I've won maybe say 5 awards, 7
Yeah.
awards. Maybe I'm featured in different magazines and blogs and everything. But every time it feels, it gives that boost, and it still feels like a kid. It's always that pursuit of happiness, because I have a belief that I don't submit my entries for awards to show it to the world.
Yeah.
I do it to prove it to myself that I've upgraded, I'm consistent. So, because a lot of places things have changed, the game of awards has changed,
Yeah.
the PR gimmick has changed. People put up 50 entries and take out of 20 awards from that.
Yeah.
I don't do it for that, because I don't have to prove it to anybody else. It's
Okay.
the proof for myself that I have
Oh,
won it for
yeah.
myself. The team has that boost and energy कि हमने कुछ कर दिया है. And it's again the same feeling even today कि यार we made it.
Absolutely, you made it. How can you differentiate creativity from other event planning companies?
A lot of a set structure has been built in people's companies around
Okay.
the nation. I would not say
Yeah.
just Surat.
Yeah.
They run by a set format. सवेरे 10 बजे ऑफिस आ जाना, 6 बजे तक काम करना है. मीटिंग का फॉर्मेट यही होना चाहिए. This is how the system should run. This is how it should happen. यहाँ पे ही आके बैठना है. Trust me, my office does not have a chair and a table for my team to sit in.
So
So there are only low seatings around in the office.
Okay.
People come in, आज यहाँ बैठना है, यहाँ बैठो, वहाँ बैठना है, वहाँ बैठो.
और बस काम करो.
Do it at your leisure, do it at your pleasure. कि 11:30 बजे का my office time is at 11:30.
Mm-hmm.
So the family of my team feels कि ये साला काम करते ही नहीं है. Because we enter the office at 11:30, 12.
Yeah.
And we might walk out of the office at 5 o'clock also कि काम नहीं है, चलो घर चलो. Does any other office in this country, if in your notice ऐसा कोई
No,
है कि जो
I
बोलेगा
have
कि
not
5 बजे
seen
घर
it.
जाना है, जाओ, या 11 बजे आके घर निकल जाओ? I don't have a leave system. So
Okay.
basically ऐसा कोई कैलेंडर नहीं है कि जहाँ पे बोला जाए कि महीने में 4 ही छुट्टी मिलेगी.
Okay.
You want to go with your girlfriend? Go, I don't mind. फियांसी के साथ घूमने जाना है 3 दिन के लिए, जाओ, मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं. काम नहीं बिगड़ना चाहिए. काम
In the
बिगड़ा
end,
तो
काम
प्रॉब्लम
करो
है.
बस. Yeah.
काम बिगड़ा तो प्रॉब्लम है. So me and Preksha have tried to build a company and a culture which is way different than others, because we both believe कि हमारे साथ में जो हमने फील किया है आज तक इतना ग्रो होने के टाइम पे, my 18 years or her 11-12 years of the working time duration, जो चीज़ें हमको ये लगा ना कि काश ये हमको ऐसा कुछ मिलता, हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं हमारी
You are
ऑफिस में वो
giving it.
culture.
Yeah,
Yeah.
perfect.
So that's how it is.
जो मिसिंग आपको लगा वो आप
वो हम
प्रोवाइड कर
टीम
रहे
को
हो.
दे रहे हैं.
And that is a great approach to this whole company. Tell us something about your white obsession, like white flea, white festival. And जब भी मैं आपको मिला मैंने हमेशा आपको white कपड़ों में देखा, and even today as well.
Ask anybody or ask yourself. चलो अब मैं आपको ही पूछता हूँ. Every morning
Yeah.
when you open your wardrobe, what is the first thought that you have while picking your shirt or your t-shirt?
अरे वो बड़ा कपड़ा से यार हूँ पेरवा से.
And then is there a question like कि आज कहाँ जाना है, मीटिंग है,
Yeah, okay, like
social
that.
है,
Yeah,
वैसा कोई
purpose
question
क्या है
आता है?
पहले?
ऐसा
हाँ,
आता है?
absolutely. Yeah.
So while thinking all of this, you might be standing and staring at the wardrobe for at least some 2-3 minutes.
True that. Yeah.
All of us used to do that. Everybody जो सुन रहे हैं वो उनके लिए भी सेम सिस्टम है.
सही बात है.
मेरे लिए सिस्टम ये है कि आज मीटिंग है कि नहीं है बस.
Okay.
So my wardrobe has at least around some 15 good shirts, linen shirts.
Mm-hmm.
Then I have something that I can wear for casuals. And then I have t-shirts.
Okay.
अगर मेरी मीटिंग है तो I have to pick one shirt which I feel पैंट के कलर के साथ मैच करने के लिए. So then it might be this blue patch, so it can go with any color of my pant.
Yeah.
So I just have to make sure that whether I'm wearing a formal pant or something casual and a shirt in the same way, so it takes me only 60 seconds to get ready and walk out of my wardrobe.
So you
वहाँ
are
से
just
कैसे-
minimizing the time of you take
Yes.
to decide what to wear.
And then that's for surely there, but then on the other side, white is the color which you can wear it in grief, happiness, sorrow, whatever you wish to.
Yeah.
So it can blend for classiness also. It can blend into calming your mind also. It can blend into showing your excitement also. It can blend into showing your richness also. Go, okay, I am somebody.
It can absorb
Absorb
anything,
any
मतलब,
energy.
yeah.
And as it is said, white is an amalgamation of all the colors
all
of the
the
world.
colors together. Yeah.
So I am that colorful person.
Absolutely, Neil bhai. I like this so much. Yeah. Tell us something about your process, like from pre-production, ideation to pre-production to production of any event you plan or any concert you plan.
Okay, so it starts with the date first of all.
Okay.
We are very particular about the date when we do our events. So when it comes to Whiteflea, the dates does not just come up in front of people कि weekend है तो ये date आ गई है.
Okay.
If people have been following Whiteflea, they exactly know कि कौन से week में show आएगा. Even without we announcing it, people know it because there is a pattern that we have built.
Okay. The rhythm.
The rhythm of it. So it's like a culture कि Tomorrowland कब होता है? जुलाई में होता है.
जुलाई में होता
कौन से वीक में होता है? तो अगर 3 वीक हो रहा होगा तो
Yeah,
सेकंड थर्ड
second,
फोर्थ वीक
third, fourth, yeah.
नहीं तो इट विल गोना बी सेकंड एंड थर्ड वीक. दैट्स हाउ टुमारोलैंड ऑपरेट्स. द सेम वे Whiteflea has a set of pattern. We have built that. So first of all we decide the date.
Yeah.
Then the whole team sits together
Okay.
and the whole team has to brainstorm, whether the guy from the production, marketing, sales, designing, me in regards to heading the show and programming it, orchestrating it, Preksha with the perspective of what storyline to put up. All of us sit together and then we have a brainstorming session on क्या करना है. A very flat level question.
Yeah.
It is not a very high level question. But then everybody has to give their input. So when we decide our theme, so then it comes to the numeric of the show. So if it is the 10th edition that we are going to be doing it, that session will be talked between people कि क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या कोरिलेट हो सकता है, किसके पास क्या आइडिया है, किसी ने कोई नया स्टेज
क्या
देखा
डिफरेंट
है,
कर सकते हैं,
क्या नए कॉन्सर्ट्स अभी पास में हुए हैं तो उसके कोरिलेशन से क्या कर सकते हैं, उसका कुछ लेके इंस्पायर होके कुछ कर सकते हैं कि नहीं.
Okay.
We are highly inspired by Tomorrowland, Burning Man,
Sun.
Swedish House Mafia. No, I don't follow any Indian
Indian
festivals.
festivals. Okay.
Because I feel कि ये लोग सिर्फ पैसा मिल जाता है ना तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी चीजें कर लेते हैं. So if you look at Sunburn last year, they did a stage under the ocean.
Yeah.
We did under the ocean 2 editions before. Try and compare the stage design. You will like our stage better.
Okay.
No offense against Sunburn, but they have money. They have a 100-feet stage. You give me a 100-feet stage and a 2 crore rupee. I'll show you what a stage it looks like.
Damn. Okay.
So I'm that confident. Look at any of our stages. By far in the 9 editions that we have done and the White Festival. Not a single person would be able to say कि ये कहीं देखा था. Because it is
And it's
drawn
so
from
majestic.
sketch.
मतलब your stages are,
Exactly. And then it is budget friendly too.
Okay.
So compared to these stages when they have that kind of money
Yeah.
and the amalgamation and the enormousness of their stages, तो इतना बड़ा बनाने के लिए जो kind of budget है उसमें से मुझे 10% भी यहाँ पे extra मिल जाए ना,
So you will pull it off.
I'll pull it off better than them because we have a lot of storytelling inside.
Okay.
So this shirt again. So this shirt belongs to our Under the Ocean wala stage.
Okay. Yeah.
So when we did Under the Ocean, our stage ka main character was Octopus. But Octopus was not visible in the whole venue.
Okay.
So then what we had done it, we had a lighthouse which was being captured by an octopus.
Yeah.
We had different things placed around. We had under the ocean elements. We had seahorses around, mushrooms around. So then when an octopus captures the ocean
Yeah.
or the world under the ocean, the way it is beautiful and the way kind of the depth that it has and the intelligence that it has, it can do a lot of things for people around.
True.
But then who knows it that what's the character? So we never wanted to show the main character. When I went on the stage, that was the first time that the stage saw octopus on my shirt.
And that was the first time people saw the main character.
The main character. So we talk in indirect language a lot of times. I never say my name on the stage
Yeah.
on day one. I say my name only at the end of the show on the third day while I do the closing ceremony. I never introduce myself. I introduce my team first. So there are some indirect talks. So people say कि यार owner लेके खुद स्टेज पे खड़ा है. But do they know why am I on stage? The reason is जिस तरीके से मैं अपने शो होस्ट करता हूँ वो एनर्जी लेवल इज इक्विवेलेंट टू व्हाट अ रणविजय सिंह और निखिल चिनप्पा डज. आई गेट इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम देम. मुझे ये दिक्कत नहीं है कि यहाँ पे कोई एंकर एमसीज नहीं है. बट बीइंग एन ओनर आई कैन टेक माय ओन क्रिएटिव लिबर्टीज. मुझे किसी को पूछने नहीं जाना कौन सी ब्रांड का नाम गलत ले लिया, तो अगर ब्रांड का नाम गलत ले लिया तो वो ओनर मेरे पास आएगा ना. So he's talking to an owner is talking to an owner. नहीं लाते ने गलती कर. Sorry sir. He's gonna understand that I'm not into hardcorely anchoring. I don't mean to demean people around कि anchors
But mistakes can happen.
पर दिक्कत ये है कि मैं खुद करूँगा तो मुझे पता है मुझे क्या आउटपुट देना है.
Yeah.
आज तक I have not found anybody equivalent and by par to Ranvijay Singh or Nikhil Chinnappa in the city. And I want to work in a budget friendly space. मैं निखिल चिन्नप्पा को बुलाना चाहता हूँ. He is my idol.
Okay.
But उसको बुलाने के लिए there is an X cost involved.
Yeah, absolutely.
Surat cannot bear that cost. इट इज नॉट वाइट फ्ली. सूरत कैन नॉट बेयर दैट कॉस्ट. तो मैं नहीं चाहता कि फालतू के कोई खर्चे करे. सो दैट्स हाउ थिंग्स आर डिफरेंट विद अस एंड दैट्स हाउ वी गो इनटू द डिजाइनिंग एंड डेप्थ ऑफ इट. कि हम ऐसी ऐसी चीजें सोचते हैं कि जो शायद एक दूसरी इवेंट्स वाले नहीं सोचते. दूसरे फ्लीज कर रहे हैं या
नहीं सोच रहे.
फेस्टिवल्स कर रहे हैं सूरत में, वो लोग नहीं सोचते.
And you come with a different approach with this whole thing.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So do you plan like something to organize like Tomorrowland for India? As a music concert, are you planning for something in the future?
We have started with the White Festival. I'm
Yeah.
writing another IP which revolves around Hindu religion.
Okay.
I'm writing an IP which revolves around gaming, online gaming.
Okay.
So I have bigger plans, and we have an IP which revolves around music and fashion.
So there are things coming up.
Yeah, there are things coming up. The IP that I'm writing, we are writing on the religion, around our religion. I'm writing it since 3 years. So me and Preksha are
Okay.
working on that idea since 3 years. We have been slowly building it up. We are in no hurry, no haste, because I know that religion is never going to vanish.
Mm-hmm.
The essence of religion is never going to vanish.
Never,
People
yeah,
are
true.
going to love that.
Yeah.
But when we come in front of people, it has to be wow.
Yeah.
So that's how we are building it slow and steady.
I understand. You've mentioned your wife's names multiple times till now. Tell us about how your equation with Preksha is. What is love for you?
Having a relationship with your partner equivalent to two male best friends or two female best friends, how do they talk? If you can have that kind of an equation with your wife,
Yeah.
that's exactly love. Because my wife says it, you cannot rise in love. It is always said you fall in love. Why? Because you always have to bend down to the other one.
Yeah.
I might be a 10 on some days, she might be a 5 on some days. So we have to balance it out and come
Balance
out
it
to a
out,
middle
yeah.
weights of 7.5.
True.
It can be reverse. It cannot be equal, that I cannot be the giving one always, or she cannot be the
The
giving
receiving
one always.
one always.
It's
Yeah.
always an amalgamation of two people and a proper jigsaw puzzle. Key. You have to fit into each other's lives. And you have to respect each other's boundaries. And I would like to, again, publicly, I've said it in before also, that husband and wife, when working together, it is the biggest challenge. Because your personal and professional life will never be different.
Yeah.
Me and Preksha walk out of the house together in the morning and we enter the house together at night. So
Yeah.
you imagine 24 hours of being together.
Mm.
घर की लड़ाई ऑफिस तक पहुंच जाती है कभी कभी, पर वो ऑफिस के काम में नहीं आनी चाहिए. So drawing that thin line between two of us, we have successfully done it. घर पे झगड़ के भी ऑफिस में हम प्यार से बात करके काम करते एक दूसरे के साथ, या ऑफिस में झगड़ के घर पे आके प्यार से बैठते हैं. So that boundary line, drawing it very well, and then respecting each other's calls. As I have been saying, कि she is the creative side of it. So when she comes up with an idea and says कि मुझे ऐसा स्टेज करना है या मुझे ऐसा कुछ incorporate करना है, so I don't say a no. I cannot say a blunt no. I have to believe in her.
And you have to listen to her.
I have
and
to
then,
listen to her. The same way in reverse. So when we did our stage went grandeur of White Flea. You remember the Evil Eye stage, the round one?
Yeah, I remember.
That was the stage when I said कि मुझे stage 30 feet से नीचे नहीं चाहिए.
Okay.
In the height.
Yeah.
So when I said 30 feet, she was like, Neil, the coziness of it will go, the micro detailing of it will go. I said, I don't want that. Give me a la grande something larger than life, because people have not seen a stage of 30 feet height in Surat at a flea or a festival. यहाँ पे देखे स्टेज, एलईडी स्क्रीन लगाने को सिर्फ स्टेज नहीं बोलते.
सही बात है.
So that's the idea that me and Preksha have. So when I told her 30 feet, she is like, पागल हो गया कि उसका स्ट्रक्चर कितना ये लगेगा वो लगेगा. तो मेरा काम है ना स्ट्रक्चर देना.
Yeah.
You give me the design.
True.
So then we incorporated the next edition. I said, मुझे now I want to reach 40 feet. सूरत में 40 feet का स्टेज in regards to height आज तक कोई कमर्शियल शो में लगा ही नहीं था. We set that trend right. अरिजीत सिंह आ रहा है और लगाया, that is a different scenario.
True.
But in a standalone show आज तक किसी ने नहीं किया.
नहीं किया.
आज दूसरे फ्लीज ट्राई कर रहे हैं हमको कॉपी करने.
देख के.
They are trying to become what we are or a part of us or similar to us. But नहीं पहुंच पा रहे because when they get involved into the process, वो दिख जाता है कि यार इतना पैसा खर्चा करना, इतना ये करना, शो से पहले इतना पैसा लगा रहा. You would not believe when we open the gates of White Flea, our books are at minus 50%.
You're talking about the first edition?
No, even today. And day 1 and day 2 is when we are recovering our losses first.
Oh, damn.
Third day is the day when we might think कि आज से पैसा बनना चालू होगा.
Okay.
So we take that kind of a risk. In a 3-day show, अगर पहले 2 दिन में अगर मैं अपने माइनस से प्लस में ला रहा हूँ अपने बुक ऑफ अकाउंट्स को, तो सोचो मैं कितना पैसा अंदर डाल रहा हूँ शो के पीछे. So the idea needs to be funded and fueled that kind of money. इट कैन नॉट जस्ट हैपन कि लोग सोचते हैं कि व्हाइट फ्ली जैसा करना है, बट व्हाइट फ्ली जैसा पैसा भी तो खर्चा करो.
खर्चा करो, सही बात है.
Once you spend it, people will love and come back to you. And
Absolutely.
it has been the case with us.
And it's not always about the money. You provide an experience people still talk about after the flea gets over.
True. We get the messages all
Yeah.
around the year
True
when
that,
our show is not happening, and when our page goes softly slower for the time period in between for 3 months before each edition. That is when we get messages कि next white flea कब हो रहा है, आपका लास्ट वाला ये बहुत प्यारा था, ये कौन था, आपका ये आर्टिस्ट कौन था. We get inquiries from different bands. We want to perform at your next festival. So that's how we have grown, and we want to be in that time zone.
I've been to White Flea, I've been to your concerts. Like खत्म होने के बाद भी मैं मेरे दोस्तों के साथ तो कंटिन्यू बात करते ही रहता हूँ कि भाई यहाँ पे क्या था, ये हुआ था, नील भाई ऐसे मिले थे, हमें ऐसे बात हुई थी. तो इट इज़ ऑलवेज यू गिव एक्सपीरियंस टू पीपल. कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि सिर्फ पैसे दे के आओ और खाना खा के चले जाओ यार.
So that's how life is for all of us as humans. Because let's talk about this podcast.
Yeah.
We might air only an hour of it, or maybe 45 minutes, or 1 hour 20 minutes, 10 minutes,
yeah.
whatever according to the content. Would you be remaining a constraint to that 1 hour 10 minute, or you would be living your life with the previous 10 minutes or 5 minutes of it?
True that. Previous
So,
time, yeah.
As humans, हम सबकी psychology यही कहती है कि we take back one strong memory for life with us on each day or each meeting with somebody. So when we take that strong memory, we might not remember that the last time we met at the theater. नहीं तुझे मुझे पता होगा कि हमने क्या बात की थी, but we remember that we met there.
We met
it was
that day,
special. That is why it is in our memory.
Yeah.
So while we are designing everything, you have to think that way कि जो इंसान मेरे शो पे आ रहा है वो घर पे ऐसी एक मेमोरी ले जाएगा जो लाइफ लॉन्ग मुझे याद रखेगा, indirectly or directly. If you are able to do that, that's exactly what is experiential events.
True that. और अगर वो भी नहीं कर पाया तो फिर तो हम सेम ही हो रहे हैं सब जैसे ही.
Exactly.
True that. So how much money it take to like build a White Flea for one edition? If you can just bluntly say anything.
Each edition of White Flea currently is in the range of 70 to 80 lakhs.
Okay.
And that's the range that we work in as of now. Hopefully we have a meeting today and there's going to be a surprise soon mostly. So if that comes up, then the scale is going up for sure.
Up for sure, yeah. And I just saw in the Instagram you delayed this year's White Flea. What is this? Is the reason behind it?
This was not the reason. No.
Okay.
We have been the arrogant ones in this segment. We don't look at brands or their money कि हम आपको sponsor करेंगे तो रुक जाओ थोड़ा. If a brand says that, I said no, don't wait.
Okay.
We are okay on our pace. It was not because of that. We delayed it because Navratri and Diwali was very close. We only had 20 days max in between these two festivals. So looking at people's pocket, if people have spent 10,000 rupees for Navratri, Diwali is around the corner, at least they're going to spend another 10,000 rupees.
Absolutely, yeah.
Where will a normal person have money to spend in between at my show?
Yeah.
So we think at that level कि इसके पास पैसा होगा कि वो मेरे शो में आके खर्चा करेगा. I want to give people that experience. So experience does not come for free. किसी के लिए भी. So वो पैसा अगर खर्चा करना ही पाने वाला है, if the person is not going to be able to buy that kind of experience for themselves, तो वो शो करने का मतलब नहीं है ना.
This is so good कि आप सामने वाले का सोच रहे हो कि वो कैसे सोचेगा.
तो वही होना चाहिए ना. What is events? Events are not designed for me. It is for the people that are walking in. So if I don't think about them, if I don't think about the exhibitors, if I don't think about everybody other than us, then it is no point doing that event. मैं event with 70 lakhs, 80 lakhs, I just spoke the figure. वो 80 लाख लगा के मैं बैंक में इन्वेस्ट करता तो भी मुझे उतना ही पैसा मिलता जितना White Flea से मिल रहा है.
Yeah.
But the point is not making money. It is about giving that experience.
Giving that experience, true.
So that's how it should be for everybody.
So it is like how can you distinguish your role and a Preksha's role in creativity or any other event you guys do?
She designs, I execute. She is the boss. I am the senior skilled labor. In regards to design, technicalities of it is me, but the creative part is her.
Okay.
Visualization is her. वो कौन से मटेरियल में बन सकता है, that is where I walk in. वो मटेरियल के पीछे कौन सा सपोर्ट स्ट्रक्चर लगेगा, that is where I come in. उसके साथ में लाइट्स का टेक्निकल इफेक्ट्स कैसे देना है, स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स कैसे देना है, आर्टिस्ट कैसे होने चाहिए, हाउ डज द क्यूरेशन हैपन, that is where we both come to that midway and we sit over that discussion. So
that is such a good partnership.
Yeah.
You guys balance each other out.
Yeah, totally. मुझे आज की डेट में डिजाइनिंग का कुछ नहीं आता, so I can give an idea and I can say कि this could be the vision that I wish to have. But I don't know how to design. It is only Preksha and her set of people around her that they design.
See, you have been in this industry more than a decade. So tell us something about what is lacking in this industry apart from you
Uh,
in Surat level, in Gujarat level, or in nation level.
Nationally, I would not say anything is lacking. There's one thing lacking nationally other than Surat is, and even in Surat in that case,
Yeah.
um, people are still not ready to collaborate.
Okay.
The industry professionals want to make 5 events on a Holi, but why not those 5 come together and make one grand event?
They want to do the little things.
हाँ, छोटी छोटी चीज
Yeah.
उनको 100 500 लोगों में इंटरेस्ट है, 1000 लोग में इंटरेस्ट है. मैं कहता हूँ आप 5 इकट्ठे आ जाओ, 10,000 लोग इकट्ठे करो एक ही वेन्यू में ना. You will become the superpower. Create a monopoly market by joining hands.
True that. Yeah.
I have been saying this since last 15 years, since the time I used to do Holi की 10 इवेंट्स मत करो एक फेस्टिवल डेट पे. 10 लोग इकट्ठे होके 2 करो.
एक बड़ी इवेंट
2 करो. 2 एरिया पकड़ लो. 2 करो, 3 करो. But then that area has only one event. So imagine from Parle Point till VR Mall
Yeah.
or maybe Dumbas, there's only one grand event happening or 2 grand events happening
People are gonna rush
on
in.
a festival time.
Yeah.
Then you go to Adajan side,
Okay.
Pal Randir wala
Yeah.
side. You do again only one event there. Huge ground, massive experience. वो एक करो. वराछा, कतारगाम, all of that side, do 1 or 2 there. पूरे शहर में सिर्फ सूरत शहर में 4 इवेंट हो रही है होली के दिन. बोलो क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा?
People are gonna rush in at the very first second you open the gate.
Exactly. So this is the idea that I feel कि
Yeah.
that is lacking
Lacking.
between people and between their understanding कि यार
Yeah.
कोलैबोरेशन करने से नफे में नुकसान होगा, नुकसान नहीं हो सकता. लॉजिक ये है. एंड
Yeah.
when I tell about Surat, I hate Surat when it comes to people trying to copy the other one. Don't try to copy. One flea trying to copy the other one is not gonna make them the other flea or the other festival or an event. Try being original, you will become bigger than me.
Yeah.
We do not, as I said, we do not follow Sunburn or something. We know about them,
Absolutely.
but we don't inspire from them.
Yeah.
That is why we are original. That is why we are listed in the top 100 IPs in the country.
Yeah.
तुम ओरिजिनल करो ना खुद का. 20 लाख में करो, 15 में करो, 10 में करो, मैं तो कहता हूँ.
पर कुछ नया
Be
लेके आओ,
yourself, be original.
And in this time of this AI revolution and everything, actually the originality is so lacking. पीछे हो रहा है वो.
Exactly, because and now when we have AI, you would not be the last 3 state designs we have generated via AI. So we have kept on punching in things ki I want this, I want that, I want this, I want that, and that is where we landed at an AI stage. I can show you one of the AI stages.
Yeah.
You had seen the moon wala stage,
Yeah, I have seen
spaceships and all of
it.
that.
Yeah.
100% AI generated, but each element was generated separately. Then we fused it.
Then you.
So you should know the process how to use AI.
Yeah.
So as people are saying, would AI replace humans? No.
No,
People
it
using
won't.
AIs will surely replace humans.
Yeah.
But you should know the basics of it. Being 38, I can be called dumb at using this. But I have the right kind of people around me who are skilled to do this.
Yeah.
There are 2 things that were photoshopped. We punched into AI. We said, please add on this, please add on that. This was exactly a state design.
And you have to take help from AI.
Exactly.
You don't need to depend on AI.
Truly. You cannot be saying कि AI में पंच इन कर दिया तो यही स्टेट डिजाइन वापस करेंगे. प्रैक्टिकली बजट बना के तो देखो पता चल जाएगा.
और मैं हमेशा मानता हूँ जब आइडिएशन का पार्ट हो ना, डोंट गो टू एआई.
या ट्रू.
आइडिया खुद कर लो आइडिया, देन गो टू एआई कि भाई इसको थोड़ा
इम्प्रोवाइज करके दो, इसको अपस्केल कर दो,
yeah.
बजट फ्रेंडली बना के दो. AI will be your grandest support.
एंड ओनली यूज एआई वेयर यू आर गोना यूज गूगल.
True.
डोंट लाइक कि भाई मेरे को आइडिया दे दो, ये मत करो.
We never do that.
अदरवाइज इट विल रिप्लेस यू ओनली, नॉट
Yeah,
ऑल
true.
ह्यूमन क्रिएटिविटी. वो
I
कहीं
agree
रिप्लेस
too.
नहीं हो रही है. सी व्हाट आई थिंक you always give an experience, like you don't curate events. I don't believe that you only curate. You try to incorporate some kind of story within it. So when this storytelling part of obsession yours starts from where? Is there something which triggered it off? Or it is just something you loved it so much that you want to
No,
give it
this
to
is where Burning Man, Tomorrowland, all of this comes into existence. So why do we get inspired from them? Tomorrowland has a storytelling from the first post that they
Absolutely,
announce till their goodies, merchandise, their journey part, their welcome letters, the pickup points, whatever you see.
And there is that one voiceover going on in
That's
whole Tomorrowland,
consistent from start to end.
start to end.
So when you have that, people will connect faster. They would like to be a part of that journey. Because everybody is a superstar and a hero in their own story.
True that.
Why not give them a voiceover? Why not give them an additional VFX to it?
You use social media so much, right, for creativity, for your personal account, White Flea and everything. What do you think how social media is helping your whole genre of business?
Whiteley is built on social media. We have never used a newspaper ad.
Okay.
We have never tried to do a print media ever. We have done hoardings because we had sponsors on board और उनका लगाना था इसलिए. Otherwise, hoardings is not something that we look at in regards to sponsorship, in regards to marketing. The only platform that I blindly believe is social media
Okay.
while building anything, because that's exactly where people are.
Hmm.
Hoardings is something which can just give you an eyeball or an awareness. It can just add on to a layer, a superficial layer that somebody passes by and they watch, okay, ये brand भी थी.
Hmm.
So it works in regards to brands and sponsors. Well, like print, this, radio, whatever we say, cinema slides.
Yeah.
But when it comes to sales and building an idea or building an event,
Hmm.
I feel social media is the best place to do it.
So tell us about like what is the future of Whiteplay?
The future of Whiteplay is I never want to take it to tier 1 cities.
Okay.
It's built for
Is there
tier
a
2
reason
cities.
behind this?
Tier 1 cities have a lot of money, have a lot of entertainment around, they have a lot of exposure around.
Okay.
Tier 2 cities are the spaces like Surat where we have entertainment, but we don't have it to that peak.
Hmm.
We have never, people in our city, there would be a segment of people जिन्होंने आज तक कभी सनबर्न या ऐसे कोई लेवल का कॉन्सर्ट शायद देखा ही ना हो.
देखा है ना. Yeah.
सूरत के बाहर कहीं देखा ही नहीं है.
Hmm.
और वैसे बहुत सारे शहर हैं.
Hmm.
मैं वही शहर में जाके एंटरटेनमेंट देना चाहता हूँ बिकॉज दैट्स वेयर एक्चुअली पीपल आर क्रेविंग फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट.
Yeah.
बड़े शहरों में कोल्डप्ले आता है, एनरिके आता है, सॉरी एंड अ लॉट ऑफ अदर आर्टिस्ट, बट देन दे माइट बी लिप सिंगिंग और डूइंग समथिंग एल्स.
Hmm.
End of the day, you are spending money just to have a nice circus drama happening on stage. I have no grudges against Enrique or Coldplay. Both of them are my daily playlist ke artists.
Yeah. Yeah.
But why to spend so much to just have that extra VFX?
But don't you believe it is just such an experience of attending in Coldplay concerts and everything?
Would you believe कि जितने भी अभी Coldplay के 5 shows इंडिया में हुए,
Yeah.
तो उसमें से 5 शो में they said कि we 50,000 people या 60,000 people attended or whatever the figure came up to, or 5 lakhs people.
Yeah.
Do you agree that all of them were really Coldplay fans?
No, I don't.
See, here you are answering my question, your own question.
They are like
They are
literally
there
chasing,
just for that experience.
Yeah, and chasing this
So
whole.
then, it was not for Coldplay, they went for that experience.
Yeah.
So then if I look at Bryan Adams,
Hmm.
he did an India tour recently.
Hmm.
People went there because they wanted to
Wanted
listen
to
to
listen
Bryan
to
Adams.
him,
People
yeah.
went to Enrique because they wanted to
Wanted
go
to
listen to Enrique.
Yeah.
Hardcore fans are those who
Yeah.
just go to that concert for that artist. They are not bothered about the lights, the sound, whatever.
Nothing. Yeah.
That's all an add-on for them.
Yeah.
So I would want to curate events in that segment.
Hmm.
कि भाई मत करो ना यार, कोई तामझाम मत दो.
Hmm.
You give a good, nice sound system. You give us a space to sit down, maybe an
Yeah.
alcohol or food or whatever.
Yeah.
We are ready to be there.
Okay.
कुछ आर्टिस्ट में यही जरूरत है. So tier 1 is okay with that.
Hmm.
But then you have to draw that thin line. कि who wants an experience? Who
Who
wants
wants
what?
and yeah.
So I have been telling it to my near and dear ones, my team who works along with me, and whosoever gets close to me, I tell them very clearly कि life में जब भी कोई concert या festival attend करने जा रहे हो, music festival in that case, when you go there before a month before that, you might get the lineup.
Yeah.
Please make sure you listen to a few of them on
Absolutely.
consistent basis.
Yeah.
सुनोगे तो पता चलेगा कि वो आर्टिस्ट
क्या
की डेप्थ क्या है, उसके हिसाब से आपका लाइकिंग है कि नहीं, किसको जाके सुनना चाहिए, किसको नहीं. सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ होमवर्क दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू डू बिफोर अटेंडिंग अ म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल और अ शो लाइक दैट कि जब मल्टी आर्टिस्ट आ रहे हैं, तो पहले वो होमवर्क करो, फिर जाओ एंड देन ट्राई एंड एक्सपीरियंस द सेम थिंग.
Not rather than just booking
a ticket कि अरे बहुत प्यारा शो था वहाँ पे, like Swedish House Mafia will come to India in the maybe mostly in the next 1 year. It is high time कि they are supposed to come back.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, it's on that words. So do people have heard their new songs? I am a hardcore Swedish House Mafia fan.
Me too,
Every time they
absolutely.
have been in the country, I have been to their show. So next time they are going to be here. So I am hoping them to be there at Sunburn mostly.
Yeah.
If they come up to Sunburn, I have told my whole team कि काम कर लेना, मैं जा रहा हूँ वो 24 घंटे के लिए गायब.
It is like, who is your dream guest to get invited in your concert and something? Apart from Nikhil Chinnappa, you already said Nikhil Chinnappa. Other than that, if you want to bring someone to Surat,
I would love to work again with Piyush Mishra.
oh my God, okay.
So, we did one tour with him,
Yeah.
but that was his first India tour, and we were a part of that. I would love to work with him again, but I would not want to get him to Surat. People here don't have the tendency to buy tickets until unless they don't see the fame of that person.
Okay.
बस अच्छा लाओगे तो बिक जाएगा, but पीयूष मिश्रा शायद उस दिन नहीं बिकेगा. So I'm no grudges against Badshah. I danced to Badshah, but Badshah is not something that you could compare with Piyush
Piyush
Mishra.
Mishra,
Piyush Mishra is a
absolutely, yeah.
legendary person wherein
Yeah.
आप उनको सुनो तो दिमाग खुलना चाहिए and there is a different essence of it कि रोंगटे खड़े होने चाहिए. So that case, but Surat does not have a habit to buy tickets for genuine artists ever. So I would take him to maybe Ahmedabad. I'll take him to Baroda, other cities, but not Surat.
It is like there is some list, your favorite artist, your favorite musician.
My favorite artist is Indian Ocean, Agni, Ankur Tiwari. In regards to EDM, I go to then Swedish House Mafia.
Yeah.
I love listening to Armin,
Martin Garrix.
Martin Garrix. Not too much, but yes,
Okay.
a couple of songs for sure.
Okay.
When it comes to techno, it is Boris Brecha, then Eric
That is
Pride.
great picks of
So
from
I,
the genre,
I
yeah.
nobody can say that I listen to only techno or only Bollywood.
blend of everything.
I have
yeah.
a blend of everything. You tell me Gujarati, I can listen to Gujarati too. I listen to Sufi too. So I have a mixed blend of my music taste
Yeah.
also.
And I have seen you like you have gone global, literally, but you have always rooted to the most important thing, your town and your emotions. How
See-
it's like, and is there something purpose for that, or you are how you being like that?
This comes to the story why creativity was born.
Okay.
2012-13, I was working with a brand called Pixidoo at Bangalore.
Okay.
And I was managing an artist called Vijay Casey.
Hmm.
He's the guy who designs the show for Anirudh, Aifa, Badshah, Himesh Reshammiya, whatever shows you have seen in the past, major
Okay.
shows, he's the one behind it.
He's behind the
He
shows,
designs
yeah.
the show in regards to set, visual appearance, visual content, light designing, all of that along with the team. So I used to manage him. And when I got married in 2014, that is when my father got very ill.
Okay.
Doctors had said that he might not survive. So 2014, 15, I was convinced by him that go back home and stay with your father.
Mhm.
So I quit my job. I came back to Surat, and that is when I decided that अब जब आया हूँ, तो I am a single kid to my parents. Preksha is a single kid to her parents.
Okay.
तो शायद किसी को कुछ हुआ ना तो हम दोनों को ही दौड़ना है in future.
Hmm.
And looking at the long term future, तो इनको एक गया तो उसके बाद में इनका है कौन और
Hmm.
या तो मैं या तो प्रेक्षा. So we both decided that I will never say that I'm quitting the city.
Hmm.
We will build everything from the scratch in the city.
Okay.
We will travel the globe from this city,
From this city.
but we will say Uzurti jo.
We'll always come back to here. मतलब
Yes.
कहीं पे भी जा रहे हो
The
वापस यहाँ पे
headquarters of creativity or Whitefly is always gonna,
Always
or
gonna
Neil
be
Choksi or
Surat.
Preksha Choksi is always gonna be Surat.
Surat, yeah.
We will never quit here. We have affiliated our offices at Hyderabad and Bangalore now,
Hmm.
but still we operate only from Surat. The bosses sit in Surat. The company owners sit in Surat. The heads of the team sit in Surat.
Yeah.
So everything happens from Surat.
Take us behind the creativity. Like let's get back to the point. See, you design whole wedding event planning. How you go from the decor to eat like catering to finishing the client's requirement in the wedding.
So the process goes like when we meet the clients, we tell them that we show them our work.
Okay.
They come up with their mood boards or whatever likes and
Yeah.
dislikes they have. That's when the first, second presentation is made. Then the second, the to and fro happens. Once the presentations are made, the estimates are made, the rough quotations and everything gone back to the client. Once it is locked, the decor team takes care of the decor side. The production team takes care of the production.
Okay.
The lighting team takes care of the lighting.
Mhm.
I service the client. There's going to be one person from the team who services the client. Whatever inputs come from there is always passed on to people. And we have one WhatsApp group which is like with the client, wherein my whole team is there.
Hmm.
So even if at midnight the family is sitting and they think that this needs to be added on or subtracted,
can
from it,
just
they just
text,
write a
yeah.
message and my team is going to do it. And on the day of the event, with execution side,
Hmm.
the advances come in and the way it works. And then when the event comes in, the production team first walks in.
Yeah.
They start the production. Once their job is done, the decor team walks in. Parallel to the decor team, the light team walks in. And while everything is done and once the venue is ready, they all walk out and me and the client servicing guy are the two people standing with the client. We are running the whole show. And the rest of the team moves on to the next event maybe or the next site, because when the wedding season is happening, a client will have 3, 4, 5 events.
Okay.
So that's how the process is. So when I walk into the venue,
Yeah.
my whole team walks out.
Okay.
And when I walk
And
out,
they
the
go
whole team
walks in. Yeah. Damn. How many events creativity go a year?
At least 100.
Okay. How do you manage this much taking this much event and satisfying every client's need. Is there anything, any time you failed to satisfy clients' needs, or you
See,
disappoint someone, or you disappoint even yourself? कि हम better कर सकते थे या हमें यहाँ पे ये करना था?
me and Preksha have a biggest disappointment in our head. The
Okay.
first wedding that we executed under creativity
Hmm.
is the wedding we always feel कि उसमें हम बहुत better कर सकते थे.
Okay.
But we did not deliver it right. वो गिल्ट हम जिंदगी भर रखेंगे. And we are thankful to that person कि उनकी वजह से ये कंपनी स्टार्ट हुई, because he said कि मेरे बेटे की शादी में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या बिगाड़ेगा, 2 फूल कम लगाएगा, बुके गलत लगाएगा, लाइट गलत लगाएगा. But then when we look back at time, even today, we say we have been winning awards, but can we improve that day? So that's the guilt that we are living with.
वो कहीं नहीं जा रहा.
That person is still a very close well-wisher of mine even today.
Okay.
But when we have even gone last year, I feel, if I'm not wrong, 2 years back, me and Preksha on Diwali, we took a sweet box and we went to their home. Because we
so
won, I
sweet.
think, our first award or something, or we were nominated.
Okay.
So then we went and said, ki, Uncle, we wanted to wish you Diwali and say sorry.
Oh
So he
my
said,
God.
why? I said, Uncle, आपकी बेटे की शादी में we could have done better. We feel it today. But we were not 100% at that point of time, and what the kind of money that we took from you. And thank you for believing in us. And we had tears in our eyes. He said, ki, but I तो enjoyed in the wedding. There was no problem in that wedding. And he said, ki, I loved your work and I'm glad that you're here today.
Hmm.
You have reached where you were supposed to be.
It takes so much to confess something like this after so many years.
Yeah, so that's exactly what we operate by. So
Yeah.
I live my life even today with that ideology कि रात को सोने से पहले अगर आईने में खड़ा इंसान ये बोल दे, एक सवाल का जवाब ना बोल दे कि आज तूने सारा सही किया है. अगर आईने में सामने खड़ा हुआ इंसान ये बोल दे कि हाँ तूने सही किया है, तो ठीक है, तो दुनिया गई भाड़ में. पर उसने अगर बोल दिया कि ना तूने गलत किया है, तो रात को ही वो सुधार, या तो उठने के साथ पहले वो
पहले
सुधार.
वो काम करो. Yeah.
तब जाके तू आगे लाइफ में बढ़ेगा तो अच्छा इंसान बनेगा.
It is about fulfilling your needs first. Then
It is always talk to your inner self. So
Yeah.
I talk to the man in the mirror, that is me.
Hmm.
So every night nobody can be fake with your own self.
Hmm.
अपने आप से तो क्या ही झूठ बोल लोगे. So ask yourself ना कि ये किया सही किया था क्या. गिल्ट फीलिंग है तो कन्फेस कर लो. सॉरी बोलने में छोटे तो हो नहीं रहे हो, पर दिल से सॉरी बोल दो.
Hmm.
If you are telling it from your heart, the opposite person is going to feel that pain of it,
Yeah.
that the opposite person is genuinely sorry.
Hmm.
If you are concerned, type that message with that concern in your head. I am sure that opposite person will feel that concern while reading the message. So that's the guilt that we have. And I forgot the question that you had asked me.
No, it's all good. This is what I was expecting only. And it's all okay. You improved year by year, right?
It is always that way.
Yeah.
Nobody can be the best at year one itself or
Yeah.
the first event itself. You learn from your own mistakes.
True that, yeah.
And you have to keep learning. वो
Hmm.
पढ़ाई लिखाई खत्म नहीं हो सकती.
Hmm.
मेरे को 18 साल हुए तो I cannot say कि मुझे सब आता है.
Hmm.
जैसे आई सेड a few minutes before कि वो AI वाला, I have people in my team.
Yeah.
I make them sit के दिखाओ क्या करना है.
Hmm.
Make me write the command, make me write the prompt. You guide me, you write it, I'll watch it. I might not need it or I might not do it personally. है लोग टीम में. They are like family. They will do everything for me. They will not allow me to pick a chair also at my site now. But जरूरी तो नहीं है ना कि मुझे नहीं आना चाहिए.
सही
आना
बात
तो सब चाहिए.
Yeah.
Just for my own upgrade.
सिर्फ टीम है उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको नहीं करना है.
Exactly.
Yeah.
They might
That
be
is right,
tired
yeah.
someday. Like strenuous, we have 60 events across 65, 70 events across 3 months. तो आई नो कि एक पॉइंट इनका आएगा कि जब इनके पास में वो फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ नहीं रहेगी एक दिन पे, तब अगर मैंने शायद 10 कुर्सी साथ में उठा लिया, 10 काम कर लिया ना, तब वो लोग की एनर्जी 10 गुनी बन जाएगी.
True that, yeah, yeah.
आई वेट फॉर दैट डे.
Hmm.
I know that you are not gonna love me, but the day you are weak, I am there. I don't go home and sleep while the work is on. Either me or Preksha are on site. So it is not the team running the show. It is we in support with the team.
Yeah.
Because when the team is working, the only thing that they expect is what? Comfort, right?
सबके साथ ही आगे बढ़ना है मतलब कैसे भी
Exactly.
करके, yeah.
And there's no fun. There's no fun drinking a blue label alone. The next person sitting to me should also be able to afford that blue label.
Yeah.
Sitting in a business class alone is of no use. The person sitting next to you, either if it is not my partner, that person should be able to afford that, or the company should be able to afford that for him.
Yeah.
Whether it is a teammate or colleague or whosoever it is. पर अगर यार एक हाथ में एक ही गाड़ी लेके नहीं घूम सकते हो या वो सेम कंफर्ट नहीं ले सकते हो, what's the fun of it?
And when the wedding season starts, what is your going in the wedding season mentality? Like, how do you prepare your team? How do you take कि भाई ये wedding में इतना करना है, ये wedding में इतना करना है. You keep checking on everything.
Yes, we
What is the
have.
strategy to go into the wedding season with a full bang on?
While currently I am sitting here while the work is already on of this wedding season,
Okay.
and they just have to make sure that everything that is there on the wedding, they pick up that one element sheet of that specific wedding with the date कि okay आज के function की इतनी चीज़ें हैं, order दिया है तो वो सारी चीज़ें हो गई. और क्या कपड़ा लग रहा है क्या नहीं, तो डेकोर टीम उसका आके चेक कर रही है. The time the extra additional soft decor
Yeah.
needs to be done, so they will walk in, they'll do their job.
Okay.
So all of this is an automated process which is already built now. और अगर कुछ additional उसमें होता है तो they have to come back to me and get it added to the client budget sheet, and then it goes back to the client after the wedding.
आखिर में तो गोल ये है कि आप अगर हो या ना हो, बिजनेस तो कहीं रुकना नहीं चाहिए.
True. My team doesn't change that fast. Everybody is way too close knit even today.
Yeah.
तो we are like that family कि जाने से पहले वो इंसान बोलना भी अगर चाहेगा ना कि मुझे नहीं आना है आने वाले 2 महीने, तो he would first cry, he or she would first cry
Damn.
कि यार ये 2 महीने में घर कैसे बैठूंगा, इनको कैसे नहीं मिलूंगा. So they'll have that this feeling more. Their guilt is more, has become larger.
It has
than,
become family.
It has become family.
How many people you have in your team?
Including me and Preksha, we are 10.
So again, coming back to creative, what is the most craziest thing a client, a bride or groom requests you to do on a wedding? कैसा डेकोर चाहिए या ये चीज़ चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ हुआ है कभी भी?
ऐसा तो नहीं होता because wedding itself is an imagination.
And वो कब क्या मोमेंट हो रही है वो समझ
पहले
नहीं
से
आ रहा है.
so you need to
Predict करना,
read.
you can't predict what happens.
We can surely predict because wedding में कुछ moments होते ही है कि these are gonna be magical. The
Yeah.
bride's entry, the
The
Varmala
entry,
So
yeah.
there are a lot of different spaces जो magical होने ही वाले हैं. So if you know your work right, if you know your job right,
Yeah.
you have to read between those lines कि कौन से person के लिए क्या important है. Somebody would want that emotional moment to be created and would want to live in that moment. Somebody would want to have that extra larger than life experience, maybe fireworks कर लिया, ये वो कुछ तामझाम कर लिया. So while you're dealing with the client in the 3, 4, 5, 6 months, तो वही जर्नी में एक्चुअली काम यही है कि you need to read them. कि फादर के लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, मदर के लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, ब्राइड के लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, ग्रूम के लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, भाई के लिए क्या है, दादा दादी के लिए क्या है. सो इफ यू हैव रेड दैट राइट, देयर इज नथिंग लाइक अ सरप्राइजिंगली क्रेजी, कुछ नहीं होता क्योंकि पता ही होता है कि ऐसा करना ही है. सो देयर माइट बी अ सिचुएशन जहाँ पे ब्राइड एंड ओनली मी हैव डिस्कस समथिंग व्हिच इज लाइक अ सरप्राइज टू द होल फैमिली, बट मुझे तो पहले से पता था. सो इट कैन नॉट गो क्रेजी. हाँ, इट माइट हैपन क्रेजी दैट वे कि ब्राइड एंट्री ले रही और कुछ मे बी there is a track that was supposed to be played with an XYZ kind of elements and suddenly the track crashes down. The generator
How do you
crashes
handle that then?
पहले तो सॉरी बोलना है ना, और तो क्या ही ऑप्शन है. Because you cannot control the kind of machinery and technology.
Yeah.
It can glitch, it can go off.
Just हमारे साथ
अपने साथ भी हुआ ही ना, तो it can go off. What is the worst can go wrong than that? Venue में लाइट बंद हो गई, क्या कर सकते हो, कुछ नहीं, रुको जहाँ रुके हो. You go to the bride, you calm her down.
Yeah, first
You tell somebody from the family, senior person कि sir, I think there is some technical error because of which this has happened. जानबूझ के तो किसी ने किया नहीं होगा, या तो जानबूझ के किया था, आपकी किसी से दुश्मनी है. वो very rare case कि ना फंक्शन लाइक वेडिंग nobody does that kind of rivalry or something. तो वो हुआ है तो पहले तो उनको जाके कन्फेस कर दो कि ये शायद हुआ है, पता करने दो कि क्या हुआ है. So at least they know. बोलो ब्राइड को कि please walk down again. We understand that it is already spoiled.
Yeah.
But at least relive it. क्या ही कर सकते हो तुम.
For yourself and for us too, मतलब. Just relive it again.
Just relive it again. We will shoot it again. As photographers, you guys will shoot it again.
Yeah.
As planners, I can recreate that moment again. So we will wait and do that. But उससे ज़्यादा तो हमने क्या ही कर सकते हैं.
See, being a wedding photographer, I know there are so many differences come with photographers and event planners. ऐसा हमारे साथ भी कभी कभार हुआ है. तो what is your relationship with photographers?
If the photographer and the event planner talks it right,
Okay.
it will never be a glitch.
Yeah.
The reason is ज़्यादातर दिक्कत होती है, लाइट कम है, इधर लाइट मारनी है, उधर लाइट मारनी है. इवेंट वाला बोलेगा इधर मैं प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं दूंगा. Come a few hours early. Exchange phone numbers from the client. Try having a word. Do you have any special requirement of a platform maybe? क्योंकि photographers generally say कि रिसेप्शन स्टेज के सामने ही मुझे चाहिए.
हाँ.
Now the planner has designed the venue in such a way कि जहाँ पे स्टेज दिखना चाहिए कि सबको. Now if there is a team of 3 or 4 people standing on that platform, you are a hindrance to the audience. You're spoiling somebody's experience. Yes, for the family it is the data that is important. I understand that.
Yeah.
But if it is pre-planned, if the conversation has already happened, the planner will design the venue accordingly. The planner will design the lights accordingly.
That it won't be a disturbance.
It won't
to
be a
the
disturbance.
people. Yeah.
In a Fera Mandap, there are 5 photographers.
Yeah, true.
You come and tell me कि lights come, but I understand. You tell me what kind of lights do you want. You discuss it with me. If it is discussed, your portra lights or whatever comes around, I would not want that additional structure inside. I would add on something in my own structure. But if it is conveyed, you come and the Feras are, the Varmala is going to happen at 7, you come in at 6 o'clock, 6:15
That
and
is
tell me
not
अभी
happening,
अभी मेरे को इधर 4 लाइट चाहिए.
वो नहीं हो रहा है.
पहले आते कर लेता.
सही बात, अब नहीं हो
You
रहा
tell me well in advance, things will happen. You come on the last minute and tell me कि अभी कभी चाहिए, नहीं होगा. So, and even if it is last minute, I'm still okay to do it. Don't show arrogance to an event planner. He's done much more pains and taken much more pains than you for that wedding. It is much more important for him than you. Practically no grudges against any photographer, but a planner is on that wedding equivalently to the time that the family is in that wedding. Photographer comes in at a later stage. They are capturing that moment. The event planner has made that moment. Both of us have to respect each other at that.
True that, yeah.
So practically, it is not a grudge or a friction that happens, but it is that smaller egos that clash in. Ki last moment somebody comes and talks at a different voice of tone.
That is wrong, yeah.
You cannot. You say please. You say please यार कर देना.
हाँ तो हो रहा
तू
है.
एक नहीं 5 लाइट मांग मैं दूंगा फ्री में. There is no cost involved in this. If I tell you कि मेरी डेकोर की एक रील एडिट करके दे देना शादी के बाद, but it is to be conveyed in a nice polite way.
Yeah.
You've already shot the data for the client. The extra additional pain that you're going to take for me is that editing part of that one reel of maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes. How difficult is it for a designer or an editor in regards to a photography firm?
Yeah.
It is not difficult.
Nothing, yeah.
In your free time, you make one edit because in that you do not have to praise your heads.
Yeah.
पैसेज आ गया, वेलकम बोर्ड आ गया, डेकोर के एलिमेंट्स आ गई, दे दिया मुझे डेटा. तो मेरे में तो इतना दिमाग नहीं लगाना ये एडिट. So if the relation is right, you get the data right. It's a two-way process.
And the same thing happens with us also, मतलब with guests and everything. Sometimes guests behave so rudely. It's like हाथ खींच के बोल देंगे कि भाई यहाँ पे फोटो खींचो. अरे शांति से बोलो, हम तो यही करने आए हैं. हम तो ये करने ही आए, मतलब हम कहीं जा ही नहीं रहे, हम तो यहीं पे. And we are the first one to arrive and we are the last one to leave the site. So we are not going anywhere. And the only documentation we are doing, that's gonna last forever.
True.
So it is like बस प्यार से बोल दो, हम अपनी हैसियत से ज्यादा कर रहे हैं.
It's always that way.
And it is happened कि कभी कभार ऐसा हुआ है कि my whole team is on the side, but sometimes I feel कि अभी और एक बंदा हो जाता ना तो मजा आ जाता. तो I don't ask my client कि भाई आप एक्स्ट्रा दोगे, क्योंकि वो हो नहीं रहा.
True.
मैं सीधा बंदे को बुला रहा हूँ.
True.
And I'm not even telling after the wedding कि मुझे एक्स्ट्रा दे दो, कहीं पे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. It is for you, it is for me as well.
True.
क्योंकि नाम तो मेरा ही लग रहा है, काम तो मेरा ही लग रहा है.
Client is gonna relive it only while they watch it again.
Yeah.
But our work is gonna be left and recalled for life because whatever business we do is via word of mouth.
True that, yeah.
So more than the client's reputation of those 1,000, 5,000 people, it is our reputation because our whole business is on stake. So client needs to understand that always and respect, give us that respect and that aura ki you do your job right.
Yeah.
ये बोल दिया था.
Give us the creative liberty and we'll pull it off.
Because that's our job. आप ये मत बताओ कि डेकोर कैसे करना है, वो मेरे को आता है. So the same way, ये मतलब फोटोग्राफी ये एंगल से खींचने से, वो मेरा काम है, करने दो. So and we need to understand that we need to get blunt at sometimes also.
Yeah.
कि सर मेरा काम मुझे करने दो. Because then at the end, I have seen instances wherein कुछ important moment छूट गई है क्योंकि फादर मदर कोई लेके गया है, काका काकी कोई लेके गया है, तो वहाँ पे एक moment छूट रही है. Tell them हम आ रहे हैं वापस and we need to be that blunt कि अभी रुको, 10 मिनट बाद आ रहा हूँ. This is more important. And with all due respect, we all need to learn something. Sort of respect what we actually deserve has to come from clients. Recently, there was an article कि a wedding photographer deleted the complete data because खाने में प्रॉब्लम था. बस तुम्हारे गेस्ट को जो तुम्हारे यहाँ पे खाली एक रिश्तेदार है या किसी को रैंडम एक फ्रेंड है उसको आपने बुलाया है या अक्वेंटेंस से आपने बुलाया, उनको आप 2,000 की थाली खिला रहे हो. We are just asking for sabji, roti, dal, rice. Nobody has ever asked from the event side.
And the photographer is not sitting on a chair whole day.
Never. Even if they're sitting, I'm still okay. I will not disagree to what you are saying. बॉस मेहनत मैं कर रहा हूँ, आपकी शादी शूट मैं कर रहा हूँ, प्लानिंग मेरे हाथ में है. So आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अस एज अ टीम. काम तो मैं कर रहा हूँ ना.
We
are creating your moment, then why not give us at least comfort us with food? You tell me ये काउंटर से नहीं उठा, I'm okay. Give me another space. मैं कहाँ जाके खाऊँ?
सही बात है.
खाना तो खिलाओ. Because if I go to eat outside, trust me, your function is gonna go for a toss.
True that, yeah.
Anybody from our team.
And that is so disrespectful.
Exactly. And
मतलब I don't understand कि why it is happening only.
So I am thankful कि मेरे साथ ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है. So all the weddings that we have done by far, once the caterer की side से उसका कोई बॉम्बे बॉय था और उसने मुझे मना कर दिया था. And his bad luck. प्रेक्षा की मौसी का घर था वो. He took me granted as an event planner. I was in the same attire mostly with a shirt and a pant. सो ही हैड रिजर्व्ड अ राउंड टेबल कि फैमिली आके बैठने वाला है.
Hmm.
आई हैड ओनली सेड कि मैं खाना खाने जा रहा हूँ बिकॉज माई वर्क वॉज डन. एक साइड पे फंक्शन चल रहा था तो मुझे भेजा गया कि जमाई साहब जमाई राजा खजाना खाइया हो.
Hmm.
So I said मैं जाता हूँ. So somebody informed them कि family से कोई खाने आ रहा है. He did not know I was family. So I pulled the chair, sat on that chair.
Okay.
आप इधर नहीं बैठ सकते. Family आके बैठने वाला है. This tone and a Bombay boy is talking to me.
Yeah.
So I very politely told him, I am from the family.
Hmm.
नहीं आप तो इवेंट वाले हो. आप कहाँ फैमिली वाले हो. He talked to me like that and meanwhile the manager came. इसको समझा दो कि मैं कौन हूँ पहले तो. कि अगर मैं फैमिली वाला नहीं हूँ ना तो भी इसको समझा दो कि मैं कौन हूँ. Because practically I am a wedding planner. मैं तेरा धंधा खा सकता हूँ. I would not do that because at the end I'm here to give comfort to my client. And the person that he is considering me a wedding planner या तो event वाला, ये मेरा घर है. चिल्लाऊंगा ना तो 10 लोग मेरे को खिलाने आएंगे.
Don't make me do something which I don't want to
Which
do.
I don't want to do. So he took that guy and he explained कि भाई ये इसी के घर की शादी है. तो इधर पंगा तो कर ही मत. And then he explained कि ये इंसान कौन है.
Yeah.
So practically a lot of times such instances happen.
Yeah,
But when it
happens,
happens, take a stand. I would always say take a stand.
Yeah.
Whether even if it is a client, tell them कि हम खाली दाल चावल ही तो मांगा है.
सही बात.
We never ask for anything that is fancy. क्या बचा है, क्या मिलेगा, क्या लगा है काउंटर पे. हमारा क्वेश्चन ये होता है. हमने कभी ये नहीं बोला कि इटालियन काउंटर चालू है कि नहीं. चालू होगा तो बजट भी लेंगे. We are hungry, we eat, we like
Sure
desserts,
thing, yeah.
we like starters, whatever.
We like everything you liking. मतलब हमें
Exactly,
मिलेगा
तो
तो
वो
हम
जाके
खाएंगे
खा
ना.
लेंगे पर उसके लिए बाउंडेशन मत करो यार. जब जो होगा हम मैनेज कर लेंगे. We are okay.
Yeah.
बट भूख लगे तो कुछ तो खा ले.
मतलब appreciate the art मतलब.
अब if you cannot appreciate that, at least respect the human. That is what I have to say. कि you would be donating millions and crores of rupees at a temple. या तो रास्ते पे जाके किसी को भी दान धर्म कर रहे हो. बस पहले अच्छे इंसान बनो. दान धर्म तो बाद में करना. करोड़ों बाद में छाप लेना. मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. You have millions in your house. I'm still okay driving my car that I have or staying in my house that I have. मेरी लालच ये नहीं है कि आपका मेरे पास है. But at least try and be nice. That's
Humanity, people are forgetting humanity.
Exactly.
मतलब they are being, वो गलत हो रहा है. मतलब सीधा ये मत बोलो क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. शांति से बात कर लो पहले एक बार.
True.
I understand that. So tell me, what is the future of creativity? What do you think? अभी you are handling this many events per year. आगे what you are targeting?
यार बहुत डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है. द पॉइंट इज पीपल से राइट योर शॉर्ट टर्म एंड लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स.
Yeah.
आज से 5 साल बाद मैं जिंदा रहूंगा कि नहीं मुझे वो नहीं पता है. तो लॉन्ग टर्म तो क्या
5
ही
साल
लिखो.
तो बहुत दूर की भी बात है.
So
कल
it
का
is
भी
generally by
yeah.
the books it is said कि you write a 1 year goal, you write a 3 year
3
goal and
year
a
goal,
5
5
year
year
goal.
goal, yeah.
तो 5 साल का तो लिखो कैसे. पहले तो ये नहीं पता कि अगले वाला 1 साल में क्या क्या होने वाला है. प्रैक्टिकली टॉकिंग. मुझे फरवरी अप्रैल तक का पता है that this is my plan. I'm working towards it. Meanwhile on the go जो होता जाएगा I'm building it up. I'm making sure that ये 4 महीने में जो मेरे पास existing है उसमें ऐसा काम करूँ कि इतना तो next year मेरे पास रहे.
Okay.
And proportionately, practically as a business owner I've learned कि अगर 10 इवेंट की है फर्स्ट ईयर में तो उसका प्रोपोर्शनली 10% ग्रोथ तो आएगा. एवरी ईयर दैट 10% 20% ग्रोथ तो ऑटोमेटिकली अगर डेडिकेटेडली अच्छे ढंग से कर रहे हो तो आने ही वाला है. सो इफ आई हैव डन 100 इवेंट्स इन द लास्ट ईयर या अभी तक करने वाला हूँ तो नेक्स्ट ईयर मुझे पता है वो 110 120 तो
होना ही चाहिए यार. होने
प्लस ऑन द गो जो बाकी की प्लानिंग चल रही है व्हाइल वी आर डिजाइनिंग इट तो वो होना ही चाहिए. सो इन 2 years बैक आई हैड डिसाइडेड टू टेक वाइटफ्ली टू 8 डिफरेंट सिटीज.
Okay.
It's still there on Instagram and मैंने शायद निकाला नहीं है या तो आर्काइव किया अभी रिसेंटली. सो आई सेड दैट बट वो नहीं हो पाया. प्रैक्टिकली व्हेन वी वेंट टू अहमदाबाद एंड केम बैक वी मेड अ लॉस देयर. तो मेरी पॉकेट की स्ट्रेंथ कम हो गई. आई कुडंट टेक इट टू अदर 6 cities. So we crashed that plan that time. But there is a chance that next year we might do that.
Again that happen, yeah.
That might come up.
Yeah, absolutely.
So you have to take your foot back, come back again, make your plan again. And your future goal and plan has to be made every day. आज क्या हुआ उसके हिसाब से कल डिसाइड होगा ना. Tomorrow is anyhow a hope. तो वो होप बांधनी है तो मैं आज के ऊपर बनाऊं ना. I cannot go 50 days behind and then make a plan.
And tomorrow is not promised. मतलब मैं ये तो बहुत personal experience से बात
you know
करता
it, right? So how can you design your tomorrow looking at today like past? It is to be designed today कि okay आज इतना हुआ है तो कल इतना कर लेंगे. You never know कि कब क्या होना किसी को नहीं पता है. And I understand people talking about future goals and plans and vision board should be there. I don't say नहीं होना चाहिए. But you cannot be saying कि 3 साल में कंपनी का स्केल क्या होना चाहिए. हो सकता है कि आने वाले 1 साल में वो जो 3 साल का लिखा ना कल ही खत्म हो जाए.
और उससे ज्यादा भी मिल
जाए. So if I'm doing a 1 CR business in an X month, exactly next month में वो 10 CR हो सकता है. तो तुम्हारा प्रोडक्ट, वी आर नॉट इनटू अ प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड बिजनेस, वी आर इनटू अ सर्विस व्हिच इज अगेन
Providing,
एक्सपीरियंशियल. शौक के ऊपर है कि लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है तो अपने को लेते जाएंगे, दे आर लाइकिंग आवर एक्सपीरियंस तो दे विल हायर अस.
Yeah.
तो जैसे जैसे वो होता जा रहा है तो वी हैव टू डिजाइन ईच डे अकॉर्डिंगली एंड ईच फ्यूचर अकॉर्डिंगली. कि हाँ कुछ गोल्स है, जैसे मैंने बोला कि व्हाइट फ्लीक का आज से एक नई कहानी हम लिखने वाले हैं जो दोपहर के बाद, तो
Yeah.
तो वो लिखी जाएगी, तो अगर लिखी जाएगी तो इट विल हैव अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव.
Inshallah, क्यों नहीं?
नहीं तो नेक्स्ट ईयर में मुझे पता है मुझे 3 इवेंट्स करनी है व्हाइट फ्लीक. राइट फेस्टिवल आई वांट टू डू 1 इन द नेक्स्ट ईयर. तो ये 4 शोज मेरे नेक्स्ट ईयर के कंफर्म है, जो वी आर लुकिंग एट इट. सो दैट्स माय फ्यूचर गोल. एंड द फ्यूचर गोल इन माय ओन लाइफ इज कि मेरे सेविंग्स अकाउंट में आई नीड एन एक्स सम. बहुत बड़ा नहीं है, इम्पॉसिबल टारगेट भी नहीं है, शायद हो सकता है कि 2-4 महीने में ही खत्म हो जाए. बट व्हेन यू हैव दैट, आई एम सेटिस्फाइड विद दैट, बिकॉज मेरी लाइफ में मुझे जो चाहिए वो काम मेहनत करता जाऊंगा तो धीरे धीरे आने वाली है. आई डोंट हैव अ ड्रीम कि मुझे जी वैगन ही चलानी है. यस, जी वैगन इज एन एस्पिरेशन कि मेरे पास उतना पैसा होगा जब मैं वो ले सकता हूँ, मैं लूंगा भी जरूर, पर वो नहीं है कि ये ही चाहिए. इफ यू नॉट दिस एंड दिस इज देयर तो मुझे इसमें खुशी है. लास्ट ईयर आई गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, लास्ट ईयर की रैंडमली मैं घूम रहा था, वन फ्रेंड सेंड मी अ कार पिक्चर कि नील दिस इज अप फॉर सेल. अ सेकंड हैंड BMW was up for sale. The car number was 6666.
Okay.
I got tempted. I sent it to my father. तो पापा एक गाड़ी आई है, कितने की? 13 लाख की. 13 लाख में BMW कौन देगा?
True that.
तो मैं 3 साल के लिए चला लूंगा, ये ले लेते. I used to drive an Amaze. Exactly 6 months before. हाँ, तो थोड़ा और फ्लैशबैक जाता है.
Yeah, let's go.
6 months back, White Flea Evil Eye वाला जो एडिशन किया था, वो एडिशन पे BMW कार had been displayed there.
Okay.
तो when the store manager had come there, तो he asked me we were just chatting and I asked him, तो यहाँ से टारगेट क्या है आपका व्हाइट फ्ली से? You have a perspective of sales, you have a perspective of marketing. तो नील भाई बस इतना है कि यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं तो साल में 2 बार आपके साथ करेंगे डिस्प्ले, और एक साल में एक गाड़ी तो बिकनी चाहिए ना, इतना पैसा खर्चा किया तो ठीक है, तो अगले साल तक अगर नहीं बिके तो मैं आपके पास से एक ले लूंगा. नहीं तो मैं खुद एक BMW ले लूंगा. दिस इज व्हाट आई स्पोक रैंडमली. मी, माय डैड एंड दैट मैनेजर वाज सिटिंग देयर ऑन द वेन्यू ऑफ व्हाइट फ्ली. एग्जैक्टली 6 months लेटर मुझे रैंडमली ये फोटो आता है एक फ्रेंड के पास से कि तू बोल रहा था ना तेरे को अच्छी गाड़ी मिले तो, कोई भी अच्छी गाड़ी मिले तो ये गाड़ी आई है, तुझे लेनी है. वी क्रैक्ड अ डील इवन बिफोर द अंडर द ओशन, ये ऑक्टोपस वाला एग्जैक्टली नेक्स्ट एडिशन 6 महीने पहले. आई वेंट टू दैट मैनेजर एंड सेड, मैंने बोला था ना मैं BMW
ले ली,
आ गई.
Damn.
It was just manifestation. 11 lakh में BMW is a cheap deal that anybody could have got.
Such a great deal.
It's a great deal.
But it came to you.
It came to me. और मैंने हाँ बोल दिया, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. मैंने नहीं सोचा था, मुझे लेनी थी, that was my aspiration.
Yeah.
But वो नहीं था कि ये टाइम पे ही लेनी है. आई, मैंने उठा ली, मेरा काम हो गया. I'm driving a BMW right now. I'm okay with it being a second hand car. मेरा कंफर्ट, मेरी फीलिंग तो सेटिस्फाइड हो गई.
सही बात है.
So my vision board, my checklist, एक गाड़ी
हो गई.
So that's how it should be. ये लंबा प्लान तो क्या ही बना लेंगे. वो होना चाहिए कि आज 50,000 कमा रहे महीने का, तो कल मेरे को नेक्स्ट ईयर लाख रुपए कर पहुंचना है. यू लैंड एट 75-80 बीच में. So that plan should be there. How do you value it in our industry? See, if you don't want things to fall in the negative side, just make sure that you're doing your daily job right. Daily smaller events right. Even if it is a small home decor, if you have done it right, there is a surely chance that that same person would give you a call, बेटी की शादी है, 25 लाख का काम है, ले जाया. A 25,000 job could land you at a 25 lakh work. Same is with the complete entertainment and glamour industry that we are into.
So how many clients have you have dealt with in creativity till now?
Never counted.
Give me approx number, it's all good.
10 years. So that could be counted, or I could say I'll show you something now.
Okay.
How many phone numbers does your phone have in your contact address book?
Maybe 1,000.
So look at the all contacts and then you assume.
Fuck.
This is my database, my connectivity across the country or the globe. You name a person, so this might have a contact number of Zakir Khan also. My phone has contacts of all different segments. I have Papon's number on my phone. So it's okay to know such people, but it is still okay to not giving them a call for years together. And when you talk about clients, so honge isme se you can consider 20-30% might be clients all across the country or maybe around the world. I have my clients at Canada, I have my clients at US, UK, Dubai, Switzerland, and rest India, pan India. I have my clients all across.
And I believe making a contact, being a friend with someone is a lot important than being like making a business with them, working
True.
with them. We have never worked together.
Yeah.
But we have always met with such an energy कि भाई हर्ष कैसा है, भाई नील भाई कैसे हो.
True.
It is always like that only.
So, as I said, being a human is more important to anybody in the world
Yeah.
than doing anything else. You make money, you do not make money, you do business, you do not do business.
Yeah.
But when you see somebody and you feel that small spark and smile in your heart for
Yeah.
that human other than standing opposite to you, that's exactly where you have built yourself.
Yeah, true that.
So, if I see you walking, the last time I saw you walking at the theater,
Yeah.
it got me a different spark. Okay, Harsh has recovered. He's gone a step ahead, way ahead than what he was.
Yeah.
So every now and then, whenever you have maybe upskilled something or upskilled yourself
Yeah.
from your accident, so that gives a small spark. Why do you think that small short message? It is glad to see you this way.
Yeah.
Why is that message happening? So the moment you start feeling this way for the other people is when you bond, and you should genuinely bond this way.
Yeah.
Knowing Mukesh Ambani, Anil Ambani, or anybody in the world is still lesser than knowing that person would be happy to know me,
Yeah.
to just wave back a hi.
Mm.
You don't give me business, I am fine. You
It's
just
okay,
passing
yeah.
by, you passed me a smile, knowing that who I am.
Yeah.
That gives me my satisfaction.
That's important.
See, that's what we achieve. So,
Yeah.
बड़े बुजुर्ग कह गए थे ना, खाली हाथ आए थे खाली हाथ जाओगे. No, you go back with a lot of relations in your hand. Nobody dies empty handed.
Yeah.
And if you're dying empty handed, practically you have not done enough in your life.
True that. Yeah.
Because true power comes with the true kind of relations that you have made.
Mm.
If I can stand on a roadside and say I am in a problem, and if I have 5 people to come and help me in my speed dial list,
That is everything.
that's my power and strength. So
Yeah.
I tell
That's
it
how you
to-
win in your life.
That's how you win. I tell it to my young team. A lot of Gen Zs are there in my team. So I tell them ki, if you consider that you have a lot of friends,
Hmm.
remember one thing, you should have only 10 friends.
Hmm.
कंधा देने के लिए 4 की जरूरत पड़ती है, बाकी के 6 तुम्हारी जिंदगी संवारने के लिए लगेंगे. But those 10 should be that kind कि ये 10 में से मैंने किसी को भी फोन किया और वो दुनिया के कोई भी कोने में होगा, तो he might not be able to come to me to solve that problem, but वो दुनिया के वो कोने में बैठ के मेहनत करेगा कि इसका प्रॉब्लम अब भी सॉल्व करो.
Hmm.
And you genuinely need those 10. If you have more,
Yeah.
you are the richest person.
And I believe when hard time come na, you will understand who is your friend and who is your acquaintance.
True.
It is always illusion. आपको लगेगा कि दोस्त सब है, पर जब होगा ना तब पता चलेगा कि एक्चुअल में दोस्त कौन है. And when you identify those people ना, भाई bring them with your life till your death. वही लोग मदद करने वाले, वो कहीं नहीं जा रहे.
I will add on a bit.
Yeah.
It is not only on the bad times. It is even on the good times. कि जब आपका अच्छा समय चल भी रहा हो, if 2 people are friends and if both of them are from our industry, for example, one starts getting fame because of the other, and if he starts getting arrogant to you, that's
Envious
exactly you
and-
will know कि ये arrogance कहाँ से आ रहा है और क्यों आ रहा है. And then the opposite person will forget कि उसने मेरे लिए क्या क्या किया है.
Hmm.
So it is not always on the bad times, because what happens is अपनी इंडस्ट्री में बहुत होता है कि a lot of things happen, almost everything happens on references.
Yeah.
रेफरेंस दे दे के किसी का नाम बोल बोल के आपने उसको बड़ा किया, और फिर जब वो बड़ा हुआ तब उसके पंख निकले ना, तब भी पता चल जाएगा कि वो आपका था कि नहीं.
Hmm.
So it is always good, bad,
that,
ugly
yeah.
together.
Yeah, absolutely. I understand that. Coming back to the point, tell me most underrated thing and overrated thing about your profession, which people think.
Underrated thing, मंडप वाले हम तो.
अच्छा, okay, people have told you that.
अरे तुमको क्या करना है, 4 कुर्सी लाके तो लगानी है. This is a very common statement that every wedding planner or a wedding designer would be getting. कि गोडाउन में पड़ा है सामान लगाना, तुमको करना ही क्या है. Tell them, they do not know the depth of it, so that's very underrated.
Yeah.
Underrated is our profession in total.
Hmm.
People do not actually know the statistics that the third most
Goes
stressful
behind,
job
yeah.
in the world is event planning or event management.
Hmm.
Not wedding, it's events.
Yeah.
The highest rate, the third highest rate of heart attacks comes to first is doctors, then engineers, and then it is wedding planners or events, event managers. So boss, हम top 3 में तो आ ही रहे हैं. Please respect us. We are not that underrated job profession. A textile owner might not be getting that kind of stress what we do.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
We deal with our stress on each day, every day. With each wedding happening in that 4-hour wedding, that 1.5 hour in between is very critical for all of us.
True that,
Because
yeah.
we are on our toes. Because if we miss that 1 microsecond,
We are gonna.
we are fucked.
we are fucked actually.
We
And the
cannot
whole
have-
family is gonna on
blame
us.
us. It's like that microsecond कि नहीं ये मोमेंट पे ये होना ही था, क्यों नहीं हुआ, तुम्हारे लाख रुपए गए यार, लाख नहीं 5 लाख भी जा सकते हैं, but they don't understand the stress, so we are underrated that way.
Yeah.
And overrated thing is the way we have glamorized our industry. It's not this glamorous the way it looks to people,
Okay.
but we show only the good side of it to people. So
Yeah,
that is
the bad
overrated.
side we only face.
It's only
Yeah.
us behind the curtains कि हमको पता है कि एक फोटो लेने के पीछे क्या मेहनत गई
क्या
थी,
मेहनत गई।
या एक वेडिंग एग्जीक्यूट करने में क्या मेहनत गई थी, या तो एक शो एग्जीक्यूट करने में क्या, घर पे बैठे इंसान को तो यही है, या देखने वाले को तो ये लग रहा है कि कितना आसान था, क्या ही करना था इधर. Because we have glamorized it. Because when the show happens, we look calm, we look peaceful. We show it only our finished product to the people.
Yeah, true.
उनको BTS पता ही नहीं है कि क्या पेन्स ले रहे हैं.
They don't know what it
they
took
don't know.
to present in that plate.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that is what I think that is overrated कि हम इतना finished product दिखा दिया है ना अभी लोगों को कि it becomes an easy task कि event तो कोई भी कर सकता है. या
Video
photography
तो
तो क्या
कोई
ही
भी
करना है,
बना ही
कैमरा लेके आ
लेगा,
जाना है.
हाँ.
So they don't, we have only done that. लोगों की दिक्कत नहीं है, हमने वो perception दिया है तभी उन्होंने वो लिया.
Yeah.
तो क्लाइंट को ये लगता है कि इट्स एन इजी जॉब यार, तुम लोग आते हो शूट करके तो निकल जाते हो, क्यों लाख रुपए चाहिए. नाउ दे डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड कि वो इतने सालों से कर रहे हैं तब इतना हो रहा है, इतना आपका टेस्ट है, आपका
और अब
पैटर्न है,
आपको
आपका
इतना
technology.
इजी लग रहा है, इजी दिखाने के लिए हमें इतने सालों की मेहनत की.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's overrated, I think.
Okay, that is a perfect answer, and I believe art is very subjective.
Totally.
Like people are charging on their capabilities. अगर मैं 2 लाख ले रहा हूँ, कोई बंदा 20,000 ले रहा है, तो फर्क वहाँ पे है.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा कि उसका काम गलत हो, मे बी उसका काम अच्छा भी होगा, पर वो जरूरी नहीं है कि मेरा काम खराब होगा. मतलब
Right.
see, it is like you are in the business of love. मतलब weddings design करना, clients handle करना. What is love for you? What is the equation with your friends and the whole staff family?
I don't have staff. I work with a team of people.
Yeah.
I don't have employees. I have my family. So I define things differently. So this is how I show love. So if somebody from my team wants to do their own set of events,
Okay.
they have 100% leniency to do it. They have 100% freedom to come down to me and say, Kanil bhai, आपकी ये help चाहिए. I'm trying to build a show. What is your idea on this? If I will have to pick my phone and have to call maybe Biswa, the way I said, I have my
Yeah.
phone. If I'll have to call Biswa and say, Biswa, I need your help to design this, or maybe to execute this show. For a teammate, I would do that for sure. That's the way I show love.
Okay.
So for me, love is showing my genuine self to the other person कि मैंने जो अचीव किया है, अगर उससे आप +1 कर सकते हो, do it. I'm there with you. The best way I think I show love is by just being there for somebody.
Yeah.
So if I'm being there for somebody, if I'm just showing up for somebody, that's the way anybody can show love.
Yeah.
मेहनत नहीं लगती, खाली रुक जाओ ना. Be there.
मैं हूँ ना,
Talk
मतलब,
to that
हाँ,
person
yeah.
for a moment. Spare that small minute that is required. You might be very busy, but that small microsecond or a minute is not gonna cost you a millions or anything else. And spreading smiles and love is the best thing that somebody could do.
I understand that and I totally agree on it. Tell us something like your favorite event, your favorite feedback you received from the client.
I become family to a lot of clients.
Yeah.
So मेरे लिए it's an achievement in that way कि मैं घर में जाके जितने मैंने clients हैं आज तक, I can enter their house even today and say कि आंटी भूख लगी है खाना खिलाओ,
Hmm.
with this same tone.
Hmm.
So that's the kind of relation that we have built. So there's nothing specific,
Okay.
but we have had clients ki we had interior designers. A very recent wedding, Karan Kinchal, the sustainable wedding, the recent one
Yeah.
that we won. The client, after ending their wedding, they came back with a token of love and they said, ki anytime in your life,
Hmm.
you want your office, your house, your bedroom, your farmhouse to be designed.
Yeah.
We will never charge you fees for that. We will do it for free for you. खर्चा जो होगा वो देख लेंगे, but हमारी फीस नहीं
नहीं
रहेगी.
होगी, yeah.
And we will make sure that we make it a dream space for you because you have created our dream forever.
That's
This is one
everything.
of that kind of thing. One of our
Yeah.
other client had come back to us saying, I want to, let's expand at USA
Okay.
and apply for visas and come down. We will open a branch there. By the name Creativity, I would get down the clients and I have a good network there. We have loved your work, so I will promote you all
This
there.
is more than the money you ever got.
So these are the kind of blessings that I've got.
Yeah.
So I am 38. As every teenage, every kid of our age, 80s kid, we have always dreamt of retiring at 40.
Hmm.
I have always retired with leaving back a legacy behind. A legacy of what? A legacy of my memories. A legacy wherein people talking in an empty room, even if they wish to crib about me, five people cribbing about me, there will be one person in every room who would say, नहीं नहीं ये इंसान ऐसा है, ऐसा नहीं है. सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू लीव बैक दैट लेगेसी कि मैंने वाइटफुली बनाया है, मैंने वाइट फेस्टिवल हमने डिज़ाइन किया है, वी हैव डन XYZ काइंड ऑफ अदर इवेंट्स. तो वी आर ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड दैट लेगेसी. सो व्हाइल आई एम डिजाइनिंग द फ्यूचर ऑफ दिस कंपनी एंड द पीपल दैट आर वर्किंग अलोंग, दे आर बीइंग ट्रेन्ड इन सच अ वे कि जो मेरी कुर्सी पे बैठने के लिए लायक बन सके, या तो वो खुद इतना कुछ कर ले कि जहाँ पे व्हेन आई गो बैक फ्रॉम द फेस ऑफ अर्थ, इन देयर बायोग्राफी इट वुड बी रिटन कि ये यहाँ पहुंचा है ना तो इसकी वजह से पहुंचा है. Without even saying, I'm not naming anybody, but in future
Yeah,
people will for surely talk about my name, because I have not named in the past 1.5 2 hours that we are talking, I've not named a single person that I've done work for
Yeah.
or a gesture that I've shown for. I do it with that feeling कि मुझे करना था, मैं कर रहा हूँ, zero expectation. अब मत करो, मुझे चलेगा. You ask me, you come back to me with just a cup of coffee कि नहीं भैया ये आपके लिए, I am happy है, मुझे ना ही पैसा चाहिए ना ही पार्टनरशिप चाहिए. यू जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट कि तुम जब मरोगे ना तब तुम्हारे जहन में तुमको पता होगा कि मैंने तुम्हारे लिए क्या किया था, तो मैं जब मरूंगा उस दिन तुमको पता होगा कि मैंने तुम्हारे लिए क्या किया. मुझे वही अचीव करना.
Just how Zakir Khan said that मेरी मौत पे आ जाना.
बस मुझे याद कर लेना. So that's how I am. I cannot be so aspirational as Zakir is. That is what I believe. Legendary है भाई.
That guy is, yeah.
So I cannot be that aspirational because I do not know if I can achieve what he is already achieved.
Yeah.
I am watching dreams of that scale कि मुझे ऐसा कुछ करना है for sure. But I am just thinking कि शायद हो सकता है कि वो इंसान मेरे मरने पे ना आ पाएगा, बट जिस दिन मैं मरूंगा ना, वो सारे लोग जितनों के लिए मैंने जो कुछ भी किया ना, वो इंसान जरूर बोलेगा साला एक अच्छा इंसान चला गया, वो जरूर बोलेंगे. And that is what I want to achieve in life. That's the treasure that's the legacy, that's the treasure that I want to take along with me.
Let me ask you something other than this. See, if you want to pass a message to the upcoming people who want to get into this industry, event planning, the concert and festival, what are your advice to the people?
Just be focused. Don't look at event industry as a very glamorous one. It looks glamorous, but it is not. And you will have to be very consistent. Even on the days when you will think कि आज काम तो नहीं ही करना है या तो नहीं ही हो पाएगा, that's exactly the day when you will have to do the right kind of work. अगर वो कर लिया ना, then only come into this industry, because that is exactly the point which will take you higher.
Yeah.
And that's the only advice that I want to give it to people that wants to walk in. Ki it is not that difficult working in events, but you need to be very dedicated, very focused, and you will have to fight your own physical strengths. You will have to fight your own psychology at point. So just be, if you are going to love this industry and love your job, then only walk into this.
And to say it is not that difficult, you have to work so much before.
Yeah.
Then you can come on that position when you say that it is not that difficult. It is that easy. Yeah, right?
11 years to the company and 18 years in the industry makes it easy for me.
That is amazing. See, I have a last segment with this podcast. It is like kind of a fatafat rapid fire. So I will ask you a question, personal, professional, or the intimate, and you give me whatever comes in your mind.
Bring it on.
Instantaneously. Yeah? I have to take my phone for this. Okay, Neil bhai, this is a fatafat rapid fire round.
Done.
Describe Neil Choksey in one line.
People's man.
Your favorite artist?
Comedy में Zakir Khan, EDM में Swedish House Mafia, indie is Indian Ocean or Agni.
And in photographer, filmmaker?
Photographer, filmmaking, Harsh.
Thank you so much.
At this, I'll stop you at this fatafat. I had told you when we started, before we started, that I'll give you a surprise.
Okay.
April, we are doing the White Flea and you're coming down to shoot something. So you decide what you want to shoot. That's a gift that I came with myself today. I had promised you that the day I know that you can hold the camera, you're going to be shooting something for me. April 17th, 18th, 19th is mostly the date as of now. We have not yet announced the date, but yes, you are going to be shooting something. You decide what you want to shoot. Okay. It's an official contract. You decide what fees, what segment, that's given to you.
Perfect. Thank you so much. It means a lot, and absolutely I'm coming over there. See, tell us your one guilty pleasure after a stressful day. Like what you do after a stressful day?
2 pegs of whiskey on my bed.
Which one if I...
Oh, my favorite is Jack Daniels, but anything that's a scotch or a good decent whiskey is fine.
Any weird obsession not everyone knows of, which you have?
I write poetries.
If not white, which color you would be obsessing over?
Beige.
Your comfort show or a comfort song which you listen to on repeat?
I listen to one song when I need a lot of energy, and that is Piyush Mishra's Arambh. It's basically called the anthem of my company. So my
Okay.
team and me, we know the song word by word, even the raw edit of it. So what he sings only in his concerts.
Okay.
And we listen to it when we want to achieve something or we have achieved something. And that's like the war cry for creativity. Everybody in the company.
Damn good. Okay. And that's why you want to bring Piyush Mishra again.
I've already done his show.
Yeah,
You
you
work with him once, you meet him once. Any day you get an opportunity, I would tell it to anybody watching this. If you get an opportunity to watch Piyush Mishra, watch him live once in your life, or else you will repent watching a very great artist. I would not name anybody else, but watch him live once.
One goal that once achieved and you will say कि बस यहाँ तक पहुँचना था.
नहीं हो सकता ऐसा. कभी नहीं हो सकता. सब we are workaholics. People in our industry are always workaholics. So I'm saying I want to retire at 40. But when I say that I want to retire at 40 is not completely being at home or at a vacation. It is like my office में आऊँगा. There are people who take care of different tasks. I'm there. I attend maybe 2 or 3 meetings, 5 meetings, and then I have the leisure to do the rest of the things. So I want to automate this whole process wherein things are happening. But it cannot be a retirement because इवेंट में आए हो तो वर्कोहॉलिक होना ही है. लाइक इन दिस इंडस्ट्री वी ऑल आर वर्कोहॉलिक्स. घर पे बैठना हमको पसंद नहीं आता.
नहीं आता.
छुट्टियां हमको स्ट्रेस देती है. सो वी कैन नॉट बी रिटायरिंग और ब्रेकिंग अप अ पॉइंट कि ये अचीव कर लिया तो नहीं, इसके बाद काम नहीं करना. काम नहीं करना बोलोगे तो पागल हो जाएंगे.
सही बात.
So I don't have that.
And people always say the man is only happy when he is in love or something, but I believe man is only happy when he is working.
Yeah, up to a point, yes.
See, because I have seen the not being able to work is so terrifying.
Oh, that's one of the most stressful thing for any human. I would not gender bias it.
Yeah, absolutely.
But once you have worked, I say कि काम का नशा एक बार होता है ना, that is worse than drugs. So when kids come into my office and say we want to intern, the first question is, what is your future goal in regards to what do you want to study?
Okay.
Because if तूने पैसों का नशा देख लिया ना, तुझे फिर पढ़ाई नहीं पसंद आएगी. So if you want to do a master's, do it first. Then even if you start at 20,000 rupees, it is still okay. But if you start at 8,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees right now, and then you're thinking कि मैं masters करूँ, you will never do masters. Because पैसों का नशा बहुत खराब है.
What is the love language?
My love language. फ्री का ज्ञान देता हूँ मैं. With the right kind of people, if I feel that I'm connected and I genuinely want to do something for somebody or show my gesture, I would go to any extent. In regards to money, I might spend thousands of rupees behind that person. I might randomly throw a party for somebody. I might just randomly make that person sit and give them gyan ki you should be doing this. So that's how I show love. There is no definition of the way I show love because it is different for different people. So I know that somebody does not have money and would like to drink. I would offer him a drink every week and I'll make sure that I meet him with that weekly or timely moments. If I know that this person is not going to spend money behind clothes, I might go and give them clothes. So it is different for different people and there are different ways to show. So with my team, if I say every year at Diwali, a good leader always gives something to the team. So generally with my team, it is ki whatever I buy it for Diwali, for myself and Priksha, 50% of that is being spent for my team.
One thing about you people misunderstand.
I am arrogant. I am a short-tempered guy. They feel that I have the arrogance of fame. I don't have the arrogance of fame. I have the arrogance of having done the hard work. Try doing it once. You will know it.
When do you feel most creatively alive?
After 9 p.m.
Okay. One thing about your work you don't like?
Quite a deep one. I hate sometimes not having a structure in our own industry. But I cannot say I hate it totally because I've started loving everything and I've started accepting the way things are there by time. So after working for 11 years, I cannot say I hate this and I hate that because I know कि ये करना ही है और ये होना ही चाहिए and that has to have that fluency in it.
What do people value that you personally don't?
People value numbers. they value everything with numbers, they value everything with the kind of achievements and everything, but
Yeah.
that's not what should be valued. It's the kind of struggle or pains or the strength that people have built by time or the process that they have gone through, that should be valued more. Because me, if I have earned 100 crores, is not something that people should be valuing. They should be valuing the actual struggle that he's done to go till the first crore.
Yeah.
That's the space that I feel people are misvaluing it, misjudging it, or they should be valuing this more clearer than the other one.
Which is your favorite IP?
And the closest one is Whiteley.
Okay. If you had a superpower, what would it be?
The superpower would be I would want to have a superpower that I would be able to solve problems of people that are near to me, specifically the people who are doing things for me, and the people who are actually, I know that they are there for me.
Yeah.
So if I could do something in regards to reducing their stress, their pains, or their struggles,
Yeah.
that's the superpower that I would want to have.
You did 9th edition of White Flea and almost 11 years of creativity. Tell us what's next.
The 10th edition and some big fireworks, as I had said in the 9th edition of White League. 2026, 25, 26 is going to have a lot of fireworks. We've announced White Festival, that is one that has happened. The next year, we'll have a lot of things happening. So that's happening with the IP side of it.
Okay.
And we might be coming back with 2 more IPs in 2026.
Okay.
And with creativity, a lot of weddings will happen, and we might enter into something regarding esports majorly.
How much money Neilbhai makes in a year?
Enough to live a good, happy life.
What's that one thing you can't go bad without doing it?
Watching reels, top secret, guys.
Okay. This is the last question. If you had to tell one thing to the world, if everyone is listening, what would be that one last message you would like to tell everyone?
Be good to humans. I said it before, I'll say it again. Be good to humans.
Yeah. Be kind.
Be kind, be good.
You don't know what's happening in anyone's
Exactly. You
life.
do not even know what you're going to be reliving or experiencing after this current moment also. So try being that good person, good human, and try being positive around people. The more you be positive, the better the world is going to be for you yourself, not for the other person. So
True that.
that's the only message.
Thank you so much, Neilbhai. It's been
Thank
amazing.
you. Pleasure.
Thank you so much, guys. So signing it off, and we'll see you next time with some next beautiful person and the beautiful story in the bed. Signing off.